Have you ever dreamed of getting real-world experience, not just in your field, but in a totally different culture? Well, if that sounds like you, you are going to want to stick around. We're about to break down an incredible international internship that could be your ticket to a serious professional adventure.
I mean, who isn't, right? An internship is one thing, but getting to do one internationally where all your major expenses are covered? That is an absolute game changer for your resume and honestly for how you see the world.
And this opportunity is pretty special. It's located right in the heart of bustling Bangkok, and it's hosted by a global industry leader. So let's get into what the Indorama Ventures internship program is really all about and what it could do for your career.
So what's the deal? At its core, this is a fully sponsored internship that lasts for at least 2 months. And get this, it's open to students from literally all over the globe, with the whole experience based at the company's headquarters in Bangkok, one of the most dynamic cities in Asia.
But before we jump into all the benefits, it's probably a good idea to know who's making all this possible. So who exactly is Indorama Ventures?
Well, Indorama Ventures, or IVL, is a huge player in its field. We're talking about a world-class chemical company, but what's really cool is their focus on sustainability. As the planet's #1 producer of PET resins, the stuff used in plastic bottles, their work on creating a circular economy is super important. This isn't just some random company. It's an industry leader that's shaping the future.
And when I say they're big, I mean they are really big. They have manufacturing sites in 32 different countries spread out over 4 continents. This is a true global powerhouse, and this internship puts you right in the middle of their international operations. Okay, so we've got a major company in an amazing city. Check and check. Now for the part I know you've been waiting for, the fully funded package. What does fully funded actually get you?
That term, fully funded, can sometimes be a little vague, right? But for this program, they are not messing around. It's incredibly generous, and it's designed to make this opportunity accessible to pretty much anyone.
Okay, check this out. The support package is just, wow. You get a monthly stipend to cover your living expenses, you get completely free housing for your entire stay, and you get a round-trip flight ticket. Basically, they've removed all the major financial hurdles so you can just focus on the experience itself.
And this isn't just for 1 or 2 specific majors. No way. Whether you're into finance, human resources, IT, marketing, or that super important field of sustainability, there are roles all across the company. There's a really good chance your career path is represented right here.
So, this opportunity sounds incredible, right? The next big question is, are you eligible? Let's go through the checklist and see if this is the right fit for you.
And the great news is the eligibility is actually pretty broad. It's open to both international and Thai students, and it doesn't matter if you're an undergrad or a grad student, as long as you're over 18. Skill-wise, they're looking for English proficiency, solid computer skills, and maybe the most important thing, just a real enthusiasm for taking on new challenges.
Okay, if you're ticking those boxes and you're feeling that little spark of excitement, this next part is absolutely crucial. Let's walk through exactly what you need to do to apply.
And you'll love this. The process itself is super simple. You just fill out their online application, upload your documents, and then you wait. Because they get so many applicants, they'll only reach out to the candidates who are shortlisted for the next round.
Now listen up, because this is probably the single most important detail about the application that you cannot miss. There is no fixed deadline. This is a rolling application process, which means they review people as they apply and can close the whole thing down the second they find enough great candidates.
So what's the bottom line here? It's simple. Do not wait. If you're interested in this, you need to get your application in as soon as you possibly can. The early bird definitely gets the worm with this one. So there you have it, a fully funded internship with a global leader in sustainability, all happening in one of the world's most exciting cities. It's experience, it's adventure, and it's an amazing launchpad for your career. The only real question left is the one on your screen. Is this where your story goes next?